Hey everyone, I wanted to show you my solution for wireless charging inside my 992.1, 911 Carrera S. Of course, all 992s basically the same, but inside the cubby you've got a couple of USB-C ports down here, and plugging the phone in here can be a bit of a pain in the ass, quite frankly. So I managed to find this on Amazon, and I'll put a link in the description, but it's an ultra-thin wireless charging pad, and it seems to fit in the cubby pretty much perfectly actually, and plugs in here. I've just got a USB-A to USB-C adapter because it only comes with USB-C, and there's no USB-C ports on my car, but that adapter was something I had lying around. If not, you can always just buy a cheap one from Amazon as well. But yeah, this pad fits in pretty much perfectly. Okay, and sitting my phone on here, you can see that it starts wirelessly charging in a matter of seconds. There we go. And of course the lid just closes just fine, locks in. When you need your phone, open it back up, quickly disconnect, take it away, close the lid. Perfect.